Today I'm going to be showcasing Holy Service's new permanent hardware ID spoofer. You need two things before spoofing. These are not required, but you might need in case the spoofing doesn't work. You need one single USB and a trace cleaner. For Asus motherboards, you have two options, regular and locked spoof. Both work, it doesn't matter that much. Save your current serials before spoofing as I am right now. After that, just load the spoofer, enter the key, and click Mac. Spoof, ARP, spoof, and regular spoof. Have to wait 1 to 2 minutes. If the loader closes, don't reopen it. Prompt you to click OK. After pressing it, just let it happen.
RC got a clout, yeah, some fake ass hoes. The nigga knows he dog, see a Jew in the fact. Me and Dust kill him like we playing tag. And now the ugly fuck tryna ban us all. Yes, and yeah, nigga ching ping pong ching.